What's the meaning of baked Alaska? Baked Alaska. Baked Alaska.
Baked Alaska. Baked Alaska. Baked Alaska is a dessert made of ice cream and cake, typically with a meringue topping that is browned in the oven. The dish has its roots in French and American cuisine, and was popularized in the United States during the early 20th century. The ice cream is usually layered on top of a sponge cake, then covered with a layer of meringue, which is then baked until the meringue is golden brown. Baked Alaska is known for its unique combination of hot and cold temperatures and textures, with the warm meringue contrasting against the cold, creamy ice cream beneath it.